Right now, someone weaker than you is winning, not because they're better, because they act like they deserve it. Meanwhile, you hesitate. You wait for permission, and the world passes you by. Confidence isn't a trait. It's a weapon. Machiavelli knew this 500 years ago. The bold rise, even if they're wrong. The hesitant fall, even if they're right. This isn't motivation. This is psychological warfare. And by the end, you'll either walk away or erase the weak man you were trained to be. The servant mind you're programming. You weren't born weak. You were made weak, conditioned to seek permission, fear judgment, beg for scraps of validation. That voice in your head, the one that hesitates, that's not you. That's your programming. A brainwashing machine labeled obedience. And tonight we erase it. The inversion, Machiavelli's code. Every weak instinct inverted. When you want to apologize, hold eye contact. When you want to explain, stay silent. When you want to shrink, take more space. This isn't faking confidence. This is rewiring your nervous system to expect dominance. The three masks control perception. 1. The diplomat in public charmant. Unreadable. 2. The phantom in conflict silent. Unblinking. 3. The king, alone ruthless. Unforgiving. Switch them instantly. Never get caught in one role. The best spies aren't actors. They're believers. Speak like a decree. Men ask, maybe we could? Strategists declare, this is how it is. Hack your voice. Drop your tone 20%. Pause before speaking. End sentences like period. No question marks. I don't debate. I decide. The unreachable mind. Most men are remote controlled by. Insults, they react. Praise, they soften. Silence, they panic. Your upgrade, become unhackable. New rule, emotions are data, not commands. They can't control what they can't trigger. Rejection equals fuel. Rejection isn't failure. It's intel. When they say no, they're telling you their boundaries. Exploit them. Their fear, amplify it. Their ego, starve it. Play the long game. Vanish. Upgrade. Return unrecognizable. The final command. His isn't about confidence. It's about becoming a man who doesn't ask for respect, commands it, doesn't avoid conflict, weaponizes it, doesn't need power, is power. Now, go feed the legend.